Hi Jenny, my name is Laura. I'll be your physical therapist today. We're going to do a submaximal exercise test today according to the Astrand cycling protocol. We're going to use this information to see how you respond to exercise and also to predict your maximal VO2, which is basically how fit you are, so how much oxygen you can use to exercise. And we're going to predict that from today. So I've already assessed Jenny's resting vitals, heart rate, blood pressure and rating of perceived exertion, and explained that to her. They were all normal for resting, so that's good. I also assessed her cardiovascular risk, and she is at a low risk, so we're ready to start the test. The other thing we did was make sure that this workload is going to be good for a conditioned female. So we set the workload and we'll get her going on that in a second. It's a 6-minute test, Jenny. Same workload. If at any time you feel dizzy or nauseous or anything during the test and you need to stop, you just let me know. I'll be taking your heart rates, your blood pressure and your RPE during the test. So we're going to warm up at a kilopons of 0.5 for 3 to 5 minutes. So if you want to start pedaling, you want to keep this at 60 RPM. Good. Oh yeah, and we also checked that the seat height was good for Jenny. So before I put on the bike, we measured the greater trochanter and checked that the seat height was correct for you. So that's good. Okay, and then we've done the warm-up, so now we're going to begin the test, Jenny, for 6 minutes. We're going to set this to 1.7, the resistance, which we calculated prior to beginning the test. How's that feel there? Good? Okay, and we're going to start the test now. Feel comfortable there? Good. Feeling comfortable, Jenny? Good. So as per the protocol, we're going to take Jenny's first heart rate at 2 minutes. We're at 1 minute right now, so we'll get ready to do that in a second. Still feeling good? Okay, so we're almost at 2 minutes, so I'm going to take Jenny's 2-minute heart rate. Good, that's at a normal level for moderate exercise. Is at 30 to begin with, so for moderate exercise, that's good. I'm going to times that by 4, get a minute, beats per minute. And what's your rating of perceived exertion, Jenny? 12. 12? Okay, good. We're at 3 minutes, so I'm going to take your heart rate. and that's now 32. What's your rating of perceived exertion? 12. And I'm going to take the 3-minute blood pressure. I'm going to take your blood pressure now, Jenny. Just relax your arm. And that's at 130/80, which is a good response to exercise of a moderate intensity. I'm going to leave this on, Jenny, just in case you need to take it again. Okay, and I'm going to take her 4-minute heart rate and RPE. Now 33. What's your rating of perceived exertion? On the 6 to 20, still 12. Good. And I'm now going to take Jenny's 5 minutes heart rate. And that's at 34. What's your rating of perceived exertion, Jenny? 12. How are you feeling? Good? Everything? Okay. Good. And we're approaching 6 minutes. I'm going to take the final heart rate. Good, and it's now at 34. And you're rating of perceived exertion? 12. And then good. Your 2 heart rates at 5 and 6 minutes are within 6 beats per minute of each other. So we can say that's a steady state and we can stop the test. I'm going to turn this down so you can cool down to 0.5 kilopines, and we'll cool down for about 3 to 5 minutes. So, and we'll check Jenny's heart rate and blood pressure and RPE during cool down and after exercise to make sure that she's having normal responses to the end of exercise also.